Learn English with said. Words to use instead of very. Deafening. Deafening. Turn down the radio, the noise is very loud. Turn down the radio, the noise is deafening. Pitch black. Pitch black. The elevator stopped and it was very dark inside. The elevator stopped and it was pitch black inside. Feeble. Feeble. After the illness, he felt very weak and exhausted. After the illness, he felt feeble and exhausted. 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 I am very tired from running. I am exhausted from running. Delighted. Delighted. I am very happy with my test result. I am delighted with my test result. Starving. Starving. I skipped breakfast, so I'm very hungry. I skipped breakfast, so I'm starving. Huge. Huge. They live in a very big house. They live in a huge house. Tiny. Tiny. There was a very small hole in the sock. There was a tiny hole in the sock. Freezing. Freezing. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. Sluggish. Sluggish. This morning I was feeling very last. This morning I was feeling sluggish. Spotless. Spotless. After the wash, the car was very clean. After the wash, the car was spotless. Filthy. Filthy. The room was very dirty and needed a deep clean. The room was filthy and needed a deep clean. Soaked. Soaked. I was very wet after the rain. I was soaked after the rain. Laden. Laden. The backpack was very heavy with books. The backpack was very laden with books. Featherlight. Featherlight. The package was very light. The package was featherlight. Luminous. Luminous. The moon was very bright last night. The moon was luminous last night. Crucial. Crucial. It's very important to wear a helmet when biking. It's crucial to wear a helmet when biking.